Origami from Absolutely Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to make a heart box which pops up. Let me show you an example. Let's begin how to make it. First, you will be needing a square piece of paper, any color. Now, you have to take this corner and fold it to the other corner and do it on the other side. This side and fold it here. Crease it hard, and if you want, you can use a card. But crease it lightly if you're gonna use a card, because then it might rip the paper. Okay, now you do it the other way. Make sure you line the edges with the other edge. Crease it with your cold stone card, but any card. Now open it. Take this part and fold it here to the very middle. It's one of the compartments. Now, take the other compartment, fold it to the very middle. Now, you should unfold everything and choose two sides, up or down, left or right. And fold them here. Fold this point here to this crease. Now you fold it once more again. Crease it hard with your card. Now do it one more time. This should go to the middle, but not too much to the middle, because then you have to do it on the other side. Okay, do the same exact thing you did to that side. Here. Crease it hard. One more time. Now do it last time. One last time. But make sure it doesn't go too much away. Your paper should now look like maybe like a hot dog. The next step is fold this point all the way to the half of the paper. Crease it hard over here. Do it onto this side, if you can see. All the way half of the paper, crease it, and then these should be flat down and flatten it. The paper should now look like this. And now take this flap, fold it all the way here. Now, do the same to the other one. Now, take this part and put it here, crease it hard here, and take this flap, fold it here. Now, do the exact same thing you did to the other side. crease it, fold it over here, and crease it here. And fold it here. Okay, fold it. And take your card, crease it. Now, flip it back here. Take this part, make it over here, crease it hard. Okay, here is a tricky step. You have to fold it inside so you can tuck it. Like this. And I'll fold it back. See? You have a heart shape. Do it on the other side. This is how it is. You're almost finished. You have to take and tuck this corner in. And now you've got 1/2 of a heart. Just make sure you crease it with your card. Heart-shaped box, but put it under the pressure. Now our heart box is ready. Be careful with it. It opens, closes. As per your creativity, you can decorate it what you could. You can put another heart on these. You can put a heart in here, and you can use cool swirl designs, circle designs, triangle designs, stars designs. Best of all, you could put a heart in here so it can pop up and surprise your friends. My video, please press the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Absolutely Creative. See you all back with more arts and craft videos. Thank you, bye.